was running far away. Would I run off the wall someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I...
Well, I heard there was a special place where men could go and emancipate the brutality and tyranny of their ruler. Well, this place is real.